Hi, this is Mrs. Bender, and I'm here today to show you how to access Istation correctly. This year, you need to access Istation by going through Clever. If the Clever icon is not on your device, you're going to open up a web page by going to clever.com/in/Cobb. Make sure it says Cobb County School District up at the top. Then click Login with Clever. To log in with Clever, you're going to type your username and your password as your student ID or lunch number. If this screen comes up, please keep your password the exact same. So type in your student ID number one more time, then confirm it, and click change, but we're keeping it exactly the same. And here you'll see Bailey Banks's page in Mr. Austin's class, and this is his Clever login. And here you will see all the different apps that you have access to. And now you don't need to put in another password or username because you have a single sign-on. So once you're in Clever, look at all of these different applications that you have access to. Now, to get onto Istation, you should have downloaded it already to your device. If it is not downloaded, it's going to ask you to download, and just follow Istation's directions and it will take just a moment. You'll see this that says Open the Imagination Station. You click that and it's just going to take a minute to process. Now you'll see it's attempting your single sign-in. So Istation will open right up. Once you get on, you get to choose your avatar and begin. You choose your subject. We'll be doing reading. Always start here with reading with ISIP. If the teacher gave you assignments, they would be located here. iPractice is just your practice to do on your own. But boys and girls, make sure you start here with reading with ISIP. And that's all for today. Now you know how to access Istation through Clever. And that is the only way you should be getting onto Istation going forward.
Exit Istation.